Hi, I'm Lynn. I'm the founder of Wee Red Upcycles. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is a new adventure, so it's definitely a learning process here, so please be kind with your comments and likes, and feel free to share some tips about having a YouTube channel if you feel like it. So Wee Red Upcycles is a community interest company. We teach individuals from different parts within our communities to upcycle and reuse items that would otherwise find their way into landfill. So predominantly I teach techniques on how to repair, redesign and upcycle furniture. We also save paint from landfill, so we use that in our projects, as well as using textiles that would find their way to landfill as well. So we are really about reducing people's carbon footprint within our community. We work with various groups within our community, as I'd said. We have projects that are training courses that we work with women who might feel socially isolated, might have mental health issues, and really we want to empower them by teaching them new skills. Hopefully this will increase their chances of employability, build up the confidence and self-esteem. Equally with our young people within our community, we're working just now in partnership with a local high school. We've got a really good project there going to teach some upcycling skills and entrepreneurial skills to these young adults, again to build their self-confidence, to motivate them, and just kind of by doing a lot of hands-on creative things we can really build ourselves up and others up. So anyway, enough about me rattling on. So this channel will be sharing little tips, techniques, there'll be some info about the workshops and the work that we do within the community, as well as how we can all help lead a more zero waste lifestyle, and just kind of take care of our planet a bit more. So thanks for tuning in, and just press those little likes for us on our YouTube channel. Thanks now.